Hello, my name is Katie Brindle and I am the founder of the Hayo'u method, and welcome to my latest edition of YouTube. So today I am going to give you a really exciting tutorial all about how to double Gua Sha. So if any of you have got the hang of Gua Sha full stop and are starting to realize that there are these amazing benefits to what I've been teaching you this far, then you need to double up, because doubling up is going to give you an even better facial and a really wonderful pampering feeling, which you could normally receive when you're having a treatment. But this you can do for yourself in the comfort of your own homes for free. So we are going to be using the Hayo'u Beauty Oil, 2 of the Hayo'u Beauty Restorers, and 2 of the Precisions. So let's get started. So on clean skin, we then take a few drops of our gorgeous award-winning beauty oil, which is infused camellia oil with lotus, ylang-ylang and frankincense. And then we simply rub that to warm it ever so gently in the palms of our hands. Start to engage with the beautiful aromatherapy benefits of these divine aromatherapy oils, which are taking you into rather sublime feeling before you've even started, already taking you into a therapeutic state of relaxed yet energized, which is what we're after. And then we get started. So the first thing is you take your 2 beauty restorers and you simply sweep down the neck. Already my body's starting to take a deep breath. It just wants to relax. It just wants to go in to what I'm doing here. Now then, to add to this, just take, this is a really lovely technique, take the beauty restorers, just take them around to the back of the neck like this. Oh god, this feels so nice. This, and then just elongating over the shoulders like that, just down in one direction. It is such a divine feeling. Just tends to make me want to take a nice deep breath where I'm just feeling all of the nerve endings and the tension in my upper shoulders just sort of melting away under the smoothness of the crystal. Then I'm going to take that double end and work along the jawline like this, and then just work into that ear area. It's really important here because you've got on the top half here, you've got all that kind of jaw crunching, jaw tightening area, and then on the bit under here you've got a very important sleep point called an mien, which is really important. So you just want to kind of wiggle the crystal restorer into that area to just ease out any tension, stimulating that point just there. Working on the other side. You should start to feel a really nice soothing sensation on the skin. Now I'm working up the cheeks like this, working into those nasolabial grooves, allowing that top bit just here to just gently glide under the eye orbit, just there, really good for bags in the eyes, crow's feet, lines under the eyes, just allowing that to just elongate itself up the sides. You can then turn into the double ends again and just sculpt the insides of the cheeks like this, giving you a very nice kind of sculpted, lifted appearance on the side, and then finish going up over the brow like this. And then you can hook under with this part of the crystal, just under the brow like this, to just give it that lovely lift. And the thing that I love about this is it really does feel like I'm having a facial, like someone's doing it on me. I think one of the key things to remember when you're doing this is that your fingers have got the fastest nerve endings to the brain, okay, your fingertips, so that if you start palpating your face with your fingers, you're not receiving that lovely sort of unctuous benefit on your face, you're feeling it on your fingers, and the brain gets confused. The minute you hold a crystal, your brain goes, oh, she's holding a crystal, and then all of the benefit is felt, your face is on the receiving end of everything, so it gives you a really lovely gentle frequency there going in. And then once I've just done that lovely lift sculpt, you can then take it around the back of the ears and sweep it down like this, or you can take it along the jaw and sweep it down like this. This is one of Katie Blake's favourite moves, the butterfly lift she calls it. It's a really nice one and it's very easy to do for yourself. Now, once you've then done the double crystals with the basic restorer, then you can move to the precision. Now, I love these precisions. They've got a very, very fine rounded edge. The tip here, and even the tip itself, is ever so slightly rounded. And then you've got the slightly flatter side here, which gives you lots of versatility with this rather nimble little tool. So I start by going on the inside here which is these kind of 11s lines here. So I go into where that starts, which is down here on the inside of the bladder channel. It's just here, and it goes in to the eyebrow. I just want to get that worked in. You can see that little red flush just coming up there. That's exactly what we're after, just that little bit, because it tends to be counterbalancing this or this or this, okay, which is what we tend to spend a lot of time doing. So using double precisions here is a very good way of achieving this, which is where the eyes start to kind of broaden back out again. We look up onto the horizon thinking, oh goodness, there is a life outside of my phone and outside of my computer. So then we just go over that area like that. We can then go up into the 11s and then over this very important area just here, which is the very top of the brow. This is a kidney area in face reflexology, and it's extremely good for kind of lifting the face. When you look in the mirror and you go, oh, I wish it looked like that. Well, it can, if you just stimulate with the precision right around this hairline, like so, all the way down to the sides like that. You can go all the way around the back, and it feels really, really lovely as you do that. Then you can take the little precision and just go under and over the eyes. Over the eyes, I'm using that more flat part there. And it feels very harmonious on my skin because I'm really balancing. It's also very nice to do a little bit of eye massage with this tool because it's lovely on these hooded eyelids and on tired screen eyes. You know, when you're just getting eye fatigue, I know I do. And you can even use that very little tidbit there to just massage into your eyelashes, which is really good for stimulating eyelash growth and thick eyelashes. And you can also do it into the eyebrows as well, really good for thinning eyebrows if they've been over plucked or going a bit grey as mine are. And then just taking that little precision down into the nasolabial groove like this. And then the other thing that I love to do, aside from going over the lip lines and the moustache area like this, is to actually just take my little precisions and go all over my face. It feels amazing. I absolutely love it. It's such a wonderful sensation. It just feels so pleasurable. And it's like feather-like touch. It's like someone just massaging my face. And then the next wonderful thing is you can turn the crystals round and then you can start to go up over the face like this, giving yourself a really lovely, as if you were going to like that, but it's much, much nicer with the shanks of the precisions. So that's a really nice little technique that you can do there, which gives you a very nice lift sculpt. You can do it over the eyebrows as well. And there we are. Double massage. It is very much a salon experience, and it's very much something that I would really urge you if you're starting to really get the benefits of Gua Sha and you can really see that these face massage techniques make a massive difference to how you look and feel, then it is really worth doubling up and trying that technique. So I hope you found that helpful. Do please press like and follow me if you're not already doing so, and of course please send this video to anybody that you think might benefit from it, and if not, I'll see you next time.